All right, guys, here we are on the bow of this 2022 175 Sport Dorado by Scout. As you can see, this huge sun pad right up on the bow. Standing up on the anchor locker right now, next to the collapsing bow cleat. Step down on here. Really nice upholstery setup. Clean Scout look. Big storage compartment under here for your life jackets, fenders, whatever else you might need. Check out the nice clean anchor locker. Your line can feed through there, so you can close this at anchor. Beautiful stainless steel bow rail all the way that connects to these huge port and starboard loungers here. Not only act as a great spot to hang out and ride or sunbathe, but really deep storage compartments as well. Really nicely done by Scout. Moving back towards the helm in the cockpit area. See the twin bucket seats on either side that swivel and adjust depending on what you're doing. Either running the boat or hanging out with the fam. And then you have the port and starboard jump seats on the stern. With your battery compartment under the starboard side with the single selector switch and your fire extinguisher. You've got rod holders throughout the boat. This side on the port acts as storage. This one has the fenders in there. On this port side, co-captain's chair. There's a nice little glove box for your phone, keep everything dry. Another storage compartment under here. Currently this one has some canvas covers for the seats in there. Now the helm. Really nice setup on this 17-foot boat. Really can do a lot of things comfortably. Really nice field of view here. You can see everything around you. Easy access to the starboard side midship cleat. You got your binnacle here. Suicide knob for steering. Easy access to all your switches. Digital Yamaha gauges. And this nicely set up Garmin display. Your trim tabs. And of course, Fusion stereo with 4 JL speakers throughout the boat. 2 in the cockpit and 2 up towards the bow. Again, like I mentioned, you can swivel these around. Have a nice setup. Everyone's mingling, hanging out in the cockpit. People playing, hanging out up on the bow. You can see this one has the detachable ski mount for your water sports. If you don't want it there, just pull those pins. Comes right out. This one's powered by a 115 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. Great little engine. Max horsepower for this boat. Really nice setup on this boat. Super clean. A 2022 model 175 Sport Dorado by Scout. This is just a quick walkthrough, but if you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else, visit our website at MarineMax.com. You can call me on my cell at 239-249-4345 to schedule a showing. Because I don't think this one will last very long because it comes with the trailer. Low hours, 2022, ready to go right now. Again, my name is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. You guys give me a call if you have any questions. Let's get you out on the water. Thanks, guys.